Hello, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your website for generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Google AI, and so on. So, we know that uh, we need to optimize our website for generative AI tools in order to rank them in the AI results. Like currently, Google is also displaying AI results, and similarly for ChatGPT, if you want to show your results, then you need to optimize uh, your website for those tools. So for that, we have I know about an amazing tool, and today I'm going to show you about that tool. And using that tool, you can make your website generative engine optimization friendly. So at first, what we are going to do is we are going to gumroad.com. So from Gumroad, we are going to search the tool name. The tool name is Generative Engine Optimizer. So you can either type and search, or I will also put the link of the product in the description, so you can directly click from the link as well. So for now, I'm going to type Generative Engine Optimizer in the search box and then click on the search icon. Then you can see that we have a tool named All-in-One AI Optimization, AEO, AI SEO, GEO, AIO, Ask Engine Optimization, Generative Engine Optimizer package. So this is from answerseo.com, and I'm going to click on this. This product provides many services. Like using this tool, we can make our website SEO friendly, generative engine optimization friendly, artificial intelligence optimization, ask engine optimization, generative engine optimizer package, whatever, everything required to be online and to be found by uh, search engines, also to be found by AI generative tools. We can use this product, and we can use it very easily. So today I'm going to show you how to use this product in your website. So we can see that this website has different packages. Like it has light package, and the light package is for $25. And then it provides all-in-one plugin for AI optimization with FAQs, quick answer, general SEO, LLM TXT, speakable AI optimization audit, etc. And similarly, it also provides professional package, where it has listed that all-in-one WordPress plugin plus we will provide service to set up, configure, and fix all AI optimization metrics and send report at the end. We will also guide you and provide resources for future updates. That means that this package will provide everything in other packages, as well as the setup and configuration process and services as well. And we also have the starter package. Today I'm going to show you how to use the starter package, which is free of cost. You can either ha- have a fair price, that is, you can either use it for free, or you can give a fair price to use this starter package. And then this product is for specifically designed for WordPress, and it is a WordPress plugin which helps your website to be present in all the SEO as well as AEO, as I already mentioned before. So it has many features, and some of them are here, like Google AI overview, AI answer engines, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Bing AI, Google AI, etc. Similarly, voice search is also optimized using this tool. Similarly, featured snippets and position geo rankings. Also, along with AI, it also strengthens the traditional SEO. We can call it traditional because it is kind of AEO is taking over SEO, and it also helps to boost your SEO. So I recommend you to try this plugin. You can you can choose a package whichever is suitable for you. Similarly, now I would like to proceed with the how to download this software. So here I'm going to teach you how to use the product for free. So what I'm going to do is I need to select the starter package. So I'm clicking here. Now the starter package, uh, you can either leave the price empty, or you can also give a fair price, any price, like maybe $1, $2, $5, $10, or it's up to you. Or you can also leave it for free, leave it as it is to use without paying any. So I'm selecting one because you can try it in your you can download one software at a time. And then now I'm clicking on add to cart. If you want to use for free, then you can insert a price zero as I just did. So you can use your email address, and then you can select your country and add a tip if you want to. uh, so currently I also have another product in my cart. I'm removing this. I only have this product at the moment, and now I can just click on get, and then you can and then you will get the software. It will be downloaded in your computer, and then you can proceed further. So if you need help on how to configure the products, and you want help on configuring the plugin, then you can either you can choose other package as well. But if you are sure on how to configure the plugin, then maybe you can try this as well. So this is all for now. Bye bye.